Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create playlist on TikTok. Now, an option to create a playlist on TikTok is just being offered to those high following creators. But if you're a small creator like me and you want to create your playlist, just follow these steps. First, open TikTok, then go to your profile. On your profile, make sure that you're logged into your account and then go to settings and privacy. From there, scroll down and then under support, tap report a problem. Once you're on this page, scroll down and on the last part, you'll see submit a report. Tap on that. And it says in here, tell us your feedback. Now, what we need to do is like we're emailing TikTok that we want to create a playlist for our TikTok. So I'll write in here, I want to create a playlist on my TikTok. Please give me an option to do that. Once you're done with the description, just press submit. Once you submit your claim, then TikTok will get back to you via email. Just make sure that the email address that you've registered with your TikTok is the active email address you're using. And that's how you create the playlist on TikTok. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.